Hi everyone, it's Saturday today and I'm starting to acclimate everything to be outside, so my peppers look all fantastic. I have no problem growing peppers. My problem is tomatoes, and I'm going to show you. Look at these look at these sad tomatoes. So a lot of the ones I wanted didn't make it. This is the Tim's Taste of Paradise. It didn't make it. And the one that I keep trying to grow, the Ananas Noir, I cannot get it to grow. I don't know. I had to cut off these like stems because they were all like wilty. I don't know what it is that I'm doing. So I'm just going through each tier. You know, the new growth up here looks good. So I'm gonna leave it for now. That one I just up-potted. So I'm just growing. If you know why this is happening, let me know. I have no idea. So I'm pulling out all the ones that look horrible. I gotta go through that tier. You know, everyone on YouTube shows their beautiful, lush plants. But I want to be real. I want to be real with all of you that, you know, I want to show my failures too, because my failures can help someone else learn something. And it also helps me to learn. So my Arctic Rose, the one that I love, it has a little bit of growth on the top. So I think what I'm gonna do is snip these off, because I don't want the plant to try to send energy to these. I'm gonna leave that little top growth and I'm gonna see what it does. Hopefully it takes off. We'll see. I'll give you an update on that. But not everything turns out perfectly. Like, look at this. This is my Gigante Martini tomato seed that I got from Italy. Maybe it's because it's from Italy, Mediterranean climate, that is not doing well in my Canada climate. That is absolutely not Mediterranean. But I did plant one in the garden. I think I was supposed to film that. I hope I'm not disqualified by planting it. I'll show you what I did. But the other one didn't look very good either. And it just like this one, it had a little bit of growth on the top. So I took off all the bad leaves and I stuck it really deep. So I'm gonna show you that. But I think I did a boo-boo. So I'm gonna go through them all and then see which makes it. But my peppers all look fantabulous. So there it is, folks. There's the tag, the Gigante tomato, but it does not look good. I don't know. We'll see. I'll keep you updated. So hopefully, this one I'm gonna toss. Hopefully the other one where I buried it really deep and you just saw the top portion, hopefully it will make more roots and it grows. We'll see, but I'll keep you updated. But the one out of the two, this is why they tell you to do two, because sometimes one doesn't make it. So the other one is in the ground and we will see if it makes it and if we get a giant tomato, because so far not a very gigante, is it? The plant isn't gigante. Got an orange hat. This is a little tiny one. It's going in the green stock. I learned from last year. I'm gonna take the sticker, the tape, and I'm gonna label it. Orange hat, so that way I know what this is. Because last year I didn't do that, and I wish I knew what I had some favorites, but I didn't know what they were. I couldn't remember. So all right, that's it for today, for Saturday, and tomorrow is Mother's Day. We're actually gonna go for, my daughter's taking me out, my mom, my sisters, and all the nieces. We're all going out for a walk tomorrow. I'll see if I can film some of that for you. But that's it for today. I'm gonna finish potting and sorting through what is viable, what's not, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, friends. Wishing everyone a happy Mother's Day. We're here at Unionville. So Unionville, if you ever watched the show Gilmore Girls, that's where it was filmed. Their pilot was filmed here. Here with my mom. Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Happy Mother's Day. It's a beautiful day at, where are we?
Unionville.
Unionville. We're having our coffee and our sweet treats at the Sweetie Pie.
At the Sweetie Pie.
And then they have Korean chicken.
So Korean chicken place there. And we're gonna go for brunch afterwards.
Very beautiful day. What are you getting?
That's my sister. My other sister with the white clip, my nieces. My daughter's there in the hat.